Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on an engine that has been used in BMW X3 guys. If you have an X3, I'm talking about generation E83 or F25, and if you have 4 or 6 cylinder engine guys and you're trying to find out okay where bank 1 and bank 2 is located on your engine, because that's something super important that you need to know guys when you replace sensors, when you work on your engine, so that way you don't just blindly replace sensors okay without knowing what's happening and just wasting your money guys. So we'll explain what is bank 1, what is bank 2, how the engine thinks about bank 1, bank 2, and why you have bank 1 and bank 2. Now we'll explain about 6-cylinder engine at first, and then we'll explain about a 4-cylinder engine, so make sure to stay until the end. They're completely different guys. Quick introduction to the channel: every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and specifically guys on BMWs we'll have more than 400-500 videos on every BMW we get. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. We're going to share all the information there guys for your convenience. So this is guys N52 engine, but if you have N52, N53, N54, this is the inline 6-cylinder engine. All of them will be the same. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, we'll discuss that towards the end, so make sure you stay with us. Now, looking at the engine guys, we have the intake manifold removed here, so you can see the cylinders a little bit better, and we're doing some work here. That's your engine starter. We'll have quite a few videos coming soon guys. So now if you have N52, N53, N54 engines, we'll have hundreds of videos guys how to fix things. So now guys, let's start on it. Looking at the engine, you have cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now looking at it guys, right in the middle, check it out how those 3 cylinders are connected, and then those 3 are connected. So the car computer, for some certain sensor, thinks that the first half of the engine, cylinder number 1, 2 and 3, it treats it almost like a separate engine from cylinder 4, 5 and 6 guys. You can see completely different thing guys. And now why does that? Okay, simply because let's say you will have even separate knock sensors for first half of the engine, second half of the engine. You can expect to have separate catalytic converters, okay, for first half of the engine, second half of the engine. Oxygen sensors will be divided for the 2 halves of the engine as well guys. Why does that? Simply so it can make the engine run better, because if it detects that there is something wrong with the first 3 cylinders, it can adjust it, okay, so the engine can run smooth. Let's say it's not getting enough, it's running lean, which means that it needs more fuel. It's going to tell the injector cylinder number 1, 2 and 3 to okay spread a little bit more fuel, and as a result guys it can adjust everything. The engine will run smoother, it will be more efficient, and it will release less pollution, because otherwise for all 6 cylinders it will be almost impossible to calculate everything super precisely. So the engine, okay, the car computer for certain components thinks that the first half of the engine is separate from the second half, and the first half, cylinder number 1, 2 and 3, is known as bank 1. Cylinder number 4, 5 and 6 is bank 2. Cylinder number 1 guys is the one that's close to the serpentine belt right here, and you start on the front, you count 1, 2 and 3, this is bank 1, 4, 5, 6, this is bank 2 guys. Now if you have a 4-cylinder engine, most of the times guys, 4-cylinder engine, you may get a reading and a code for bank 1, but the whole engine will be known as bank 1, unless you guys have a V4, but it's not used in X3 guys. But 4 cylinders, they just have bank 1, they do not have bank 2 guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.